Welcome to this presentation on the lack of available water in Thailand. The people of Thailand face the severe problem of not having access to enough quality water. The people, their businesses, the land, animals, and the economy are all negatively affected, and as the population increases, if something doesn't change, then Thailand will be in great danger. Thailand's water is contaminated for several reasons. Deforestation, global warming, agricultural intensification, flash floods, and human influence have reduced water retention. With extreme drought in the northeast and central plains, resulting in a lack of water flowing into the dams and reservoirs. Reservoirs are currently sitting at below 50%, which allows salt water to contaminate as it creeps upstream and into the water supply. Other contributing factors are Thailand's uncatered for increase in population. In 2021, the population increased by 0.22% in just 1 year. As a previous Thai resident, I noticed this problem firsthand. I saw the devastation of the droughts on the land and animals in central Thailand. I was trapped in my building during the floods, and when they stopped, I saw the polluted state of the streets and rivers. I unknowingly found myself in the centre of a water riot. While it is an affordable option for some, buying safe drinking water is not for others, not only because of the cost, but because of the logistics of getting the water to their homes. Access to quality water and sanitation is a fundamental human right. In Thailand, 20% of people have a parasitic intestinal infection and other health concerns from the lack of quality water. Food poisoning is another concern, as polluted water is sometimes used in the agricultural sector. Without clean water, businesses are struggling to provide clean and quality products. The farmers are expanding their areas to outside irrigation zones out of desperation, and some produce is being poisoned with unclean water. Thailand is one of the leading sugar exporters in the world, but sales are declining as they fail to grow. The government is struggling to distribute the water between citizens and farm owners. If Thailand can't help themselves, it will be up to their neighbouring countries, but some surrounding countries are in the same situation. So what can we do and how can we do it? While Thailand is working hard to try and repair the past damage that has contributed to their situation, a significant part of their plan requires citizens to ensure the same mistakes do not happen again in the future. Water conservation is vital, and people are asked both at home and at work to conserve and reuse water when possible. In 2018, the government created a 4-pillar water management strategy and began the implementation process. Better sanitation stations are being installed, and people are being educated on the importance of proper hygiene and not polluting their limited water supply. The National Water Resource Committee was created and have begun building just over 550,000 small dams to help with drought and floods and implementing the Water Resource Act. Failing to conserve water and meeting the projected water goals could increase reduced food supplies, health hazards, and political conflict. Please, be conscious of water usage and your footprint on the earth. We are all citizens of the world, and we can all work together to ensure that everyone is doing their part. Thank you.